Morning students. So in this video we will revise chapter number 4 from your book Honeycomb. Okay, and the chapter name is The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. Okay, so basically this story is based on a Japanese tale. Okay, Japanese small stories. Tale means small lovely stories. Okay, so it is about an old couple who lived with their pet dog Muku. They loved Muku as it were their own child. Once the dog helped the old farmer to find a treasure inside their house. When the old farmer's greedy and cruel neighbors came to know about this, the neighbors of the particular family, they enticed the dog for finding treasure for them also. They forced the dog to finding a treasure for them also, because they were very greedy for that particular treasure. When they heard about that, they were very eager to find the particular treasure. When they failed to do so, they killed the dog. When the dog did not give them particular treasure, that did not guide them towards the treasure, okay, so they killed the dog. Sudden death of the dog, the old man worried about him. Okay, very much worried. And then the dog's spirit came into his master's dream and helped him twice. Two times the dog's spirit helped his master. First time the dog's spirit told the farmer to make a mortar and a hand mill with the wood of the pine tree over its grave. Okay, the old farmer used this mortar for making rice pastries, but instead rice dough turned into a heap of gold coins. Okay, while making bean sauce by using the hand mill, there dropped gold like rain from the mill. So in such type of help given by the particular dog to the masters after his death. The greedy neighbors came to know all this. When they came to aware of this, they borrowed the mortar and the hand mill. As a result of their greed, what all they got was just a whole mass of worms. In the return, they did not get gold coins, they get worms. Okay. Then next time the spirit asked his master to collect the ashes of the mortar and hand mill which were burned by the wicked people and sprinkle on the withered trees. That would make them bloom again. Okay, so the old farmer sprinkled the ashes on a withered cherry tree when the daimyos means the king, procession means the king's or we can say the king's team, or the crowd with kings was passing from there. Daimyo saw this wonder and rewarded the kind old farmer. So, and when they did same, the particular neighbors, they didn't get anything. They only punishment from king. So the king was very much impressed by the couple, and the king rewarded the particular couple. Okay, so it is a very clear message or moral from the story that do not be greedy. Okay, so because of their greediness, the particular neighbor couple, they got punishment from the king, and they didn't get any reward from the dog also, because they killed him because of their greediness. Okay, so don't be greedy, never. Okay, that is the message from the chapter. Okay, so revise the chapter again. In next video I will discuss the question answers. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.